Hey guys, we are back. We are back in the training, so I'm gonna work on Judd today. Got the cowboy over. He's gonna help me out with spooking Mr. Judd. I'm gonna have him pull out like a white flag that we made, homemade white flag, and it makes lots of noise. And definitely gonna see his reaction to that, and also just kind of seeing how he's gonna do today. We do have the quad in the background. Cowboy helped me drag the arena a little bit because it was just crazy. Lots of little hoof holes from yes. Anyways, also I have a special little surprise for my love of my life.
Hear the song?
Oh. No idea. We got lots of noise going on. Cowboy over there being silly. Judd over here figuring him out, and I also got the music playing too today. We'll see, buddies, we'll see. Yes, we're getting used to so many crazy things. Yes, aren't you cute? Would you look at that? That looks so much nicer. Thanks, honey. You're an amazing man. Say thanks, Judd. Thanks, cowboy. Just so y'all know, this is what I'm dealing with. Oh man, my boots are all muddy. Over here's not too bad. Oh, stepped on a hole.
Killed it.
Killed it. All right, so you could tell in the background the quad is running and Judd does not like the sound, so I quickly get up on him, and I have my boyfriend helping me out with this, so I have him accelerating, making sound. Judd wanted to just kind of freak out on me, so what I did is not give him that chance. I just immediately did a one rein stop, and I didn't make him stop completely. What I was doing was I was yielding his hind end. I'm going to yield his hind end until I feel that he's going to be a little more relaxed, and then I started backing him up, and I started to give him something to do. I put him to work. I pretty much got his mind focused on doing, going around the barrel, going around the cone, backing up. That way he didn't need to worry about the surroundings, and he needed to pay attention to me, his rider. He's like, I kept him in a one rein stop. That's what you got to do.
So watch out for the post.
Okay.
It should dry out now since the sun's out.
Do you want to lift it and just like roll it one side?
I guess.
And then there's that white flag over there too that we could grab. You don't have to be in the mud. You could just like be from the side with the flag, just shaking it as I'm working him.
No. Oh, you
No.
play music too.
I want you to be in the mud.
Fine.
After you cleaned your boots, honey.
Yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna go get a beer. I don't know why you put them all in the fridge. Oh, I got my 12 rack. I gotta put it away. Dang it.
Did you have my drinks too, please? Right there.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
You're a tard.
I wanted to catch him in action.
Oh. You can see where the high spots are in it.
Yep.
It's called the dry part.
On the dry part.
That's the high spot.
He's flinching his tail. They're both confused. Good boy, Judd. That echoes so far. Good boy. Oh. Oh.
I was walking.
Okay.
Hold that rope.
He flinched. Good boy.
They get closer. As close as 50 foot. It's 200 foot.
See, every time he flinches his tail. You're okay, bud. But that was a coin.
No, these are shell casings.
Oh. Good boy. He's doing really good. He's just listening. Oh, flinch there. I do that to him all the time. Good boy. You're so good boy. Oh, it does. Oh. Good boy, Camel. You're doing, come here. You're doing so good. Yes, you and Judd are growing together. He didn't even, he's flinching tiny bits. Sudden movements. Oh.